Hi, Repo Gadgets here again with a good one. Easy, fast. If you mess this one up, there's something wrong with your cooking. So, I'm going to start pretty much from scratch, except for a few things here and there, and I'll talk you through them as I go through them. So, I'll point you in the right direction. I got my pre-chewed food, dude. I'm going to pepper them. Lots of pepper. Don't be cheap on the pepper. Pepper is very good for you. Opens up those arteries. Now I got my oil behind me going. This is celery seed that I just put on there. I'm going to put a little bit of garlic salt, not very much. You don't want to overdo this. Some salt, just basic table salt. Red chili. Not too much. Alright. That's done. Now this is just regular old flour. Drop it in there. And I beat in some eggs. Poor baby chickens. Unborn embryos. Nothing like it. Oops, I just broke my pre-chewed food, dude. That happens. Don't worry about it. It all fries just the same. Then put it back in the egg after you flour it. And then flour it again. Doesn't have to be pretty. It'll all fry up. Well, this is some cheap stuff. I hate this grocery store that I have. But, hey, it's edible. And this one seems to be a little sturdier. Give that a good coating. Put it in the egg. Just slosh it around. Put it back in the flour. Back in the egg. In the flour, and throw it in a hot pan. Okay, I'm going to go wash my hands. Okay, well, right now, I got my broccoli with a little bit of butter in there. I'm going to micronute that. And I've got, okay, what else do I got? I've got my gravy going, and I've got my mashed potatoes going there at the end. Set it up so you can see my chicken fried steak being cooked. I don't edit my videos, so any mistakes made, you're going to see it. And there you go. I'm just using basic biscuit gravy for my gravy. I usually make my own, but this stuff cooks so fast that I don't have time for it. Add a little bit of pepper to this gravy next. They seem to run a little cheap with the pepper. Supposed to be biscuit gravy. This ain't biscuit gravy without pepper. Turn that down. Move over. This shouldn't take any time at all to be done. The only thing that takes a while is the vegetables, because they're frozen. Fast and easy. Don't take much time at all. As long as you buy the pre-chew food, dude, and the steak is done in, what, 4 minutes? Something like that? It'll be completely done. It won't be medium rare or anything else. It'll be completely done. Well, basically all I'm doing right now is cooking the flour that's on it. Uses my vegetables a quick thing. Don't need the heat on that anymore. Everything's done, except for the mashed potatoes and the vegetables. Well, I'm just going to be using regular old instant mashed potatoes. As soon as my water starts boiling. How beautiful is that? So, see you next time on YouTube. This was One Fast Meal.